Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Kansai International Airport and Rinku Park. Kansai International Airport is on an aircraft land at Kansai International Airport is an artificial island in Osaka Bay. It opened in 1994. It was the first airport in Japan to stay open 24 hours. Many people use this airport to go to another countries or to come to Japan. The airport has a place called Sky View. It's an observation hall to see airplanes take off and land. It's a good place for people who like airplanes. The airport is also getting ready for Expo 2025 in Osaka. Many parts of the airport are new and modern. Near the airport, there is a nice place to relax. It's called Rinku Park. The park is about 10 minutes on foot from Rinku Town Station. It is next to the sea. It's a great place to walk, run, or have a picnic. There is a bench called Marble Beach. It has white stones. It's a beautiful place to watch the sunset. There are some open events in the parks, such as small markets. Sometimes you can see planes fly over the park. It's a good place to take pictures or feel the sea wind. This area is a nice place to visit before or after your trip. It's a good place to enjoy both the sky and the sea. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.